kind of video we're making today? Yep, you guessed right. It's another first impressions and unboxing video. And you know, these are my favorite kind of videos to make, so I'm super duper excited today. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well because I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day today. It's sunny. Everything feels great where I am. So today we get to unbox and I give you my first first impressions of some new perfumes. First we have Lattafa Mashrabya. This one has been out for a while, but I'm glad I finally have my hands on it because it sounds intriguing. Let's see if the scent is actually intriguing as well. And then we have new ones from Arabiyat Prestige. This is Uhud, and then this is Mahd Al Dhahab from Arabiyat Prestige. So which one shall we check out? I think I want to check this one first because it's pink. These fragrances were kindly sent over to me from Lattafa, Nigeria. Thank you so much. You guys spoil me too much. We're gonna see if this one is actually worth buying. This is a huge box, you guys. The packaging is actually huge. Oh my god, it is big. Look at that. It's like the size of a head. Oh, did you see that? Oh, look at her baby hiding in there. Oh, she's like a cute little baby hiding. Oh my god, don't hide. You're beautiful. Come out into the light. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. This is stunning. This is so beautiful. Gorgeous. This is literally one of the prettiest perfume bottles I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. This is sweet. But the juice, because you know, we're here for the juice, right? We're here for the juice. If the juice is not juicing, then it's not worth buying. But if it is juicing, go ahead and grab your purse. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Uhud sprays quite nicely. The atomizer is quite concentrated. It just goes sharp. Oh my god, I can catch vanilla immediately. Is this a vanilla? It doesn't even seem like a vanilla. Oh, it is vanilla. Oh my god. Okay, if you're a vanilla lover and you like fruity fragrances, fruity fresh sweetness like strawberries or raspberries, and then a little bit of freshness, sweetness, vanilla, and like caramel. If that is your jam, if that is your kind of fragrance, you're gonna like this. Now it's not very strong. It's actually it's a faint scent. This one is not strong. This one is not giving oh my god. This one is very faint, but I distinctively catch the vanilla. It has some vanilla caramelly kind of nuance in here, but then it has fruit sweetness at the top, sweetness and freshness. So vanilla, freshness, sweetness, and fruitiness. That's what I catch in Uhud. And it's quite faint and light. It's quite airy. It's not strong. Maybe with maceration, definitely with time, with maceration, it might improve. But right now, it's very faint. It's very light. It's not strong at all. But I want to be sure of what I'm smelling, so let's go check the notes. For the notes of Uhud is written at the back. At the top, you have red fruit, rose, and caramel. At the heart, you have tonka, honey, and raspberry. And then at the base, you have musk, vanilla, and amber. You guys. Oh my god. The red fruits, the rose, and the caramel are the one giving it that beautiful femininity at the opening. And then at the heart, you have the honey and the raspberry. So it's a mixture of sweetness, vanilla, the fluffiness of tonka bean mixed with juicy, fruity, fresh fruits. That's what you have in Uhud. And then at the base, you have that musk, vanilla, and amber. That's what is giving it body. That's what is giving it personality. You guys, you're going to enjoy it for summer. You guys, there's also a hidden message at the back of this box. It says, a clarion calls, a battle begins between fantasy and reality, goes a path unknown, mysterious, waiting to be explored. Courage is the only armor, and the brave always win. Okay, I'm digging it. It's a beautiful scent, light, airy, but Absolutely beautiful. Up next is Mashrabya from Lattafa. Now this particular one, I heard that it has this shisha accord. Is it apple shisha? I don't know. It has something shisha in here, and I'm dying to find out exactly what that smells like. Because guys, what the hell is shisha accord? How does shisha smell like? I really don't know. I don't know. I'm excited to find out, but I'll be nervous. What if I don't like it? What if I do not like it? I'm gonna tell you, of course, if I do not like it. This one comes with an extra seal. Okay, that's sweet, nice. You okay? That's pretty cute. Oof. Oh. There is something about black bottles, and not just black and gold. Look at this cap. Stunning, stunning. I appreciate Lattafa's packaging. They do know how to give it to us, don't they? Now let's try Mashrabya. Okay, atomizer is not bad. Oh my god, atomizer is not really impressing me today. The atomizer on this one is not really spraying. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so this one smells boozy, green, something like cinnamon is in here. Boozy, green, cinnamon. And something strong at the base. I'm not sure if it's patchouli, if it is amber, or if it is vetiver. There's something strong, something intense at the base. Is it oud? This is a spicy oriental fragrance. I can totally smell the spice. You guys, you know how I feel about spice. I'm not really digging it. But I'm hoping it blends better with time. Because this is really spicy. When we talk about super spicy fragrances, this is actually spicy. Spicy cinnamon, something like tobacco in here. Smoky, woodsy. This will be perfect on a man. If you're a man and like strong, woodsy, rich, deep scents, you would enjoy this. But for my baby girls, this one is leaning towards the headache-inducing side. I don't know if I'm digging this. But let's check the notes. Yeah, we can't write it off without checking the notes first. We need to know what's in here. For the notes of Mashrabya, at the top you have apple shisha accord. Honestly, I do not know what apple shisha is. So I cannot tell you I smell it. I don't smell anything like apples in here. I don't know. Pink pepper, it's not spicy to me. I don't really smell that. Then at the heart, you have tobacco, cinnamon, and dates. That's it. The cinnamon and the tobacco, they really come through. They are carrying this perfume on their backs. Then at the base, you have oud smoke. So not really oud, but like oud smoke. Then caramel, vanilla, and patchouli. Of course, the patchouli. It's a strong fragrance. It's pretty intense. So if you're a man and you dig this kind of fragrances, this will be right up your alley. But frankly, I do not like it much. Yeah, I do not like it much. I'm going to give it time and of course come back with a maceration update for you. But as of right now, no, I'm not digging it a lot. It's nice, yeah, but personally, I'm not in love. This is Mahd Al Dhahab. This one says, in the heart of the dry sand, where ancient winds blew, lies Mahd Al Dhahab, where the promise of gold was kept under the sun's relentless blaze, where the echo of time calls softly, the cradle of gold whispers to all tales of grandeur. Mahd Al Dhahab. Oh my god, you guys, we already have the notes here. The top is grapefruit amber. Let's experience the fragrance. Let's see what we smell before we talk about the notes. Okay, now Mahd Al Dhahab, I really do not know anything about this fragrance except the fact that it comes in a luxurious gold box. Oh my god, it's opening already. Just calm down. Do you see that? Oh my God. Do you see packaging? Do you see packaging? Oh my God, Arabiyat Prestige. You guys are you trying to make me fall in love with you? Because I'm a sucker for good packaging. But the bottle, stunning. This is lovely. I love. Actually, okay, I'll be honest. I love this bottle. I love the whole packaging. But the juice is the most important thing. We cannot eat icing without cake. All right, for Mahd, oh my God, this is the best atomizer I've had today. Mahd Al Dhahab sprays amazingly. Oh, and it is so much stronger than Uhud. This one hits me instantly. Oh, this one smells like honey, like mint, green honey. A bit of caramel, sweetness, vanilla, fruitiness, musk. This is a very complex scent. This is not straightforward. Every time I take a whiff, I smell something different. This will change on your skin. This will not remain the same. This is not a linear perfume. This is the kind of perfume that develops on your skin because it's refreshing. It's not a gourmand. It's not giving you, I want to eat. No. This one is refreshing. Yeah, it's in gold, but it's not like giving that oriental vibe. No, it's not spicy. It's refreshing. It's vanillic. It's green. It's different. It's caramel. It's soft yet strong. It has personality. This one is deep. No, this one is not like the pink one. The pink one is like, typical. This one isn't. This one is a complex fragrance. Amber, vanilla, sweetness, florals, mintiness or greenness. Let's check the notes. Yeah, you know what I was about to say. Let's check the notes. So for the notes of Mahd Al Dhahab, at the top you have grapefruit and bergamot. Then you have red fruits, berry and juniper berry. At the heart you have clary, sage, cypress and ginger. Then at the base you have sandalwood, patchouli, vanilla and amber. Oh my God, that is a heavy scent. You see that base? You see the base? The patchouli, the amber, the vanilla, the sandalwood. This one is strong. It's completely unisex actually. This one is pretty unisex. If I were to rank the fragrances that I've tried today according to sex, I would say this one is for men, okay? This one is unisex and this one is for my ladies. Now this one is vanillic, sweet, just a bit sweet, minty, green, fresh. Yeah, it's a kind of fragrance that men can wear and women can wear. And I think this one is going to develop beautifully. It's a complex scent. It's a complex vanillic, green, everything. It's a complex, but it's hard to describe. It's hard to describe. It belongs in that kind of category where you're trying to find words to describe the fragrance, but you're just coming up short. It's intense, okay? It's ambery, it's vanillic, it's sweet a bit at the top. Then it smells green and minty. Maybe it's the cypress, maybe it's the sage. I do not know. Maybe those are the ones making it smell green, but it's a complex fragrance. Yeah, it's not for babies at all. This one is the mature version. And then this one for the men, I'm not thinking this one much because obviously you guys know I'm a lady. But I like this one, but she is light. She is very light. I cannot wait for her to actually thicken up and develop. Thank you so much, Lattafa Nigeria, for sending over these fragrances. I'm enjoying myself. You guys spoil me so much. Thank you. Really appreciate it. You guys, if you're in Nigeria and you need Lattafa perfumes straight from source, go to Lattafa Nigeria on Instagram. All their details will also be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you want a one-on-one with me, please click the link in the description box and I'll see you on my WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me. If you want even more of me, then follow me on Instagram. It's winglady_, and then on TikTok, it's winglady_beauty. And until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Ciao.